We are getting our first look at how Minneapolis and MPD are doing with police reforms they agreed to under a court-ordered settlement with the state.
Yeah, that agreement was put into place in 2023, and then 1 year later, independent monitors started tracking the city's progress with reviews every 6 months. The first report is out today. Renee Cooper's been digging into what's in it. Renee?
Well, Kevin, that independent monitor is nonprofit Effective Law Enforcement for All, or ALEFA. And by simply beginning to work together and publish this first review, Minneapolis checked a few police reform goals for year one off its list.
The bottom line, there is still a backlog, but we are making progress.
The sweeping reforms reviewed in this report, a product of what state officials called years of discriminatory policing, culminating in scenes like this from 2020.
Dozens and dozens of policies have been worked on over the course of the last year.
MPD also made gains in officer wellness supports and new training requirements, including crisis intervention and engaging with minors.
Since this is our first report, we will not be compliant in many things right now. It's because the work is ongoing, and again, those building blocks are being built progressively.
A crucial gap in this first review centers around use of force, including a backlog of more than 1,100 cases needing review, more than 400 of them considered more significant instances of force.
I can't say with certainty that the backlog will be cleared by the deadline, which is March 17th. But I feel very, very confident that if not cleared, we will have made substantial progress.
Chief Brian O'Hara says MPD is chipping away at that backlog, recently training more staff and hiring an independent law firm to help. But ALEFA says the force investigations team and MPD as a whole, quote, lacked sufficient staffing to complete some of the major tasks the agreement requires.
Yes, it's not optimally staffed. And if we do have a federal consent decree, we will be required to staff it further. So, yes, there's concerns there that we won't be able to get everything completed, but I believe the monitor does agree that we want to make sure that we get this right instead of just getting it done by March 17th.
Now, as the chief mentioned there's also a similar list of federally mandated reforms in a consent decree. Now, that's not enforced yet, as it's still under review by a federal judge here in Minneapolis. To review the ALEFA review for yourself and to comment on it, head on over to KSTP.com. We can expect the next one to drop around the summertime. In the newsroom, Renee Cooper, 5 Eyewitness News.